Hello, how are you today? Teacher Shelby here. Welcome to Conversa. And today I have something super fun to talk about hobbies. Let's talk about my hobbies and talk about your hobbies. Let's go. Time to chat for a couple minutes about hobbies. Let's see if you know all these hobbies and you can tell me if you like them or you don't like them. Or maybe it depends. Let's see. The first hobby is listening to music. Do you like listening to music? Do you like listening to music? I love listening to music. Some of my favorite music is Latin music and salsa and pop music. And yeah, I love all different types of music. So notice we say in English, I like listening to music. Do you like listening to music? Right? We don't say, I like listen to music. No, no, no. Do you like listen to music? No. It's the verb plus ing, listening. I like listening to music. Hobby number 2, do you like reading? Do you like reading books or magazines, the newspaper, or maybe articles online? Do you like reading? I love reading. I really, really love reading. And I try to set a goal every year with a number of books that I want to read. Now, a goal I have this year is to start reading more books in Spanish. So tell me, do you like reading? And what language do you read in? Can you read in English or only your native language? Do you like running or do you like jogging? Jogging is a little slow, a more relaxed run. Running is a little faster, right? Do you like running or jogging? I don't. I like walking in my neighborhood if the weather is nice, but I don't like running or jogging. Next question for you. Do you like cooking or do you like baking? Cooking is on top of the stove, like you cook lunch or you cook breakfast or dinner. Now, baking is in the oven, so maybe baking bread, baking desserts. Do you like cooking or baking? I like both. I really enjoy cooking and I love baking, especially baking homemade bread. I love it and it smells so good. Next hobby, do you like watching movies or TV shows? Do you like watching movies or TV shows? Do you prefer one or the other? I really love watching TV shows, but I don't really enjoy watching movies. I don't know why, but I prefer to watch TV shows. And last year, I watched an entire series, a show with like 200 episodes called La Reina del Flow, and I loved it. It helped me practice my Spanish so much. I encourage you to watch TV shows and movies in English as much as you can and put the subtitles, if you can, in English or in your native language. Do you like playing video games? Do you like playing video games? I don't really like playing video games. Sorry, I played video games a little bit when I was a kid, but now as an adult, It's just not a hobby that I'm interested in or enjoy. But maybe you do. Let me know. Do you enjoy playing video games as a hobby? Ooh, here's an interesting hobby. Do you like doing yoga or meditation? Do you like doing yoga or meditation? Hmm. I think I like the idea of doing yoga and meditation because it's very peaceful. It can help you be calm and it's good exercise. But I don't really do yoga or meditation very much in my daily life. But maybe I should start. Let me know. Do you like doing yoga or meditation as a hobby? Okay, here's a hobby for those who are creative. Do you like drawing or painting? Are these hobbies of yours? Do you like drawing or painting? I'm not too creative, so I don't like drawing or painting. Only if it's like a paint by number and I have a guide that will help me make a beautiful picture. But I don't have the skill to have drawing or painting as my hobbies. Okay, up next, this is a good one. Do you like taking photos or do you like photography as a hobby? Do you like taking photos? Hmm. This really isn't a hobby of mine. I like taking photos of fun moments with my family or my friends, but it's not a hobby. So, maybe you are a photographer and you love to take artistic pictures of nature or people. That's an amazing hobby. Here's a hobby that probably should be a part of everyone's lives. Uh-oh. Do you like working out? Or do you like going to the gym? Boom. Do you like it? Is it a hobby of yours? Do you like working out? For me, it kind of is a hobby because I try to work out 3 times a week. I like to go to the gym and do a little exercise, lift some weights because I know it's good for my health. But it's not my favorite thing. I guess it's a hobby of mine, but I do it more for my health, not because I really enjoy it as a hobby. Oops. Okay, this next hobby is one of my most favorites. Do you like gardening? Do you like gardening? Let me show you a picture of my backyard. You can guess? Yes, I really love gardening. It's one of my favorite hobbies. I love plants. I have plants in my house and I grow a lot of fruits and vegetables every year. I love gardening as a hobby. Okay, this next hobby is so popular. Maybe everyone loves it. I don't know. Do you love traveling? Is traveling one of your hobbies? I super duper love traveling to new places, new countries, especially with my husband or my friends, my family. If I get to go to a country where I can practice my Spanish, I love that. So I really enjoy traveling to new places. Maybe you do too. It's a fun hobby, but it can also be expensive. Okay, this next hobby requires a little skill and a lot of practice. Do you enjoy singing or playing an instrument as a hobby? Maybe you play the guitar or the piano or you sing. Is this a hobby of yours? For me, I enjoy playing the piano a little bit. It's not my most favorite hobby, but I like to do it every once in a while. I took piano lessons as a kid, so now I try to practice a little bit so I don't forget how to play. So tell me if you play an instrument or if singing is one of your hobbies. Okay, I have two more hobbies to ask you about. Do you enjoy playing sports? Whatever sport. Is this a hobby of yours? Do you enjoy playing soccer or basketball or tennis? For me, it's not really a hobby for me to play sports. I guess I need to be honest. I'm not very athletic. So, sports are not something I'm very good at. I like to take care of myself and exercise, but I don't really like playing sports. Okay, here's my last hobby for you. Do you enjoy spending time online? Do you spend a lot of time online? Maybe on social media, watching funny videos, or on YouTube, learning something new like a new language, or coding, or just new information about the world? The internet is an amazing place and we can learn so much from one another. I love it. This is definitely one of my hobbies. Of course, because I'm here on YouTube. Oh, that's it. I could go on and list more and more and more hobbies, but I'll let you tell me in the comments which hobbies are your favorite. Maybe there were some hobbies that I didn't talk about. Tell me what hobbies you enjoy doing in your life. Enjoy doing them every day or maybe once a week. Hobbies are fun, and it's fun that they can change and you can try new things. Let me tell you, one of my most favorite hobbies is spending time with friends and family, of course. I love to go to a coffee shop and have a little cup of coffee with a friend, talk about life. That is one of my most favorite hobbies that I enjoy doing. Wow, if you made it here all the way to the end of the video, great job listening and talking about hobbies with me. This was a video totally in English, no Spanish at all, so really good practice. Thanks for joining me. We have new videos every Friday, and of course, a whole bunch like this one you can watch to keep learning English right now. I'll see you next time. Bye.